welcome to the next video on the Nerdy Collector channel. And today we got another OP15 EB04 English display, and this time together with a double pack set. This one is also already opened, but this time on the bottom, so the top is clear, and the double pack set is for the end. So we just keep it there. So I did order more online sealed, which of course represents the price for the sealed ones, but these two from locals are all right. I mean, it's not the best price, but it is all right. Okay. Okay, I had to adjust it a little bit because the phone came down. But we'll start with the first pack, and I'll start by opening them with the knife again. Let's see if we can get some first pack magic. We got Doll, we got Genbo, we got Koala, we got the Octoballoon, we got Alpha, we got the Rayleigh event, we got Yama, we got the Heso event, we got the Monkey D. Luffy leader, we got the Hyrule, we got the Dressrosa Lucy event, and we got an Ohm. Let's go. That's one of the ones I really need for the Enel deck. So first pack, a very good hit. Not like price-wise or anything, but for me to play, insanely good, an important hit. Let's see if the second pack is gonna be different. We got a Dr. Hawkback. We got Kamakiri. We got the Goro. We got Trafalgar Law. We got the Zeph. Let's go. That's very great. We got Yorkie. We got Nezumi. We got the Brook leader. Okay, back-to-back leader packs. We got Laboon. We got Orlambus. We got the Genfall. And we got the Jewelry Bonnie from EB04, which is also nice because I have been thinking about playing this one instead of my Nami Searcher. The Nami Searcher doesn't rotate out because it has a manga, but this one can also search Namis, which is a big W if I play 8 Namis in my Luffy deck, you know. Let's take a look at the next pack. We got Higuma, we got a Nico Robin, we got the Spoil, we got Kelly Funk, let's go. We got the Raki, we got the Sea Cat, we got the Gum Hawk Gatling, that's nice. We got the Lightning Beast Kiten. I think I already have 4 of those, but that's still great. We got the Meowben Brothers, we got a Perona, we got Pearl, and we got the Lightning Dragon. I think I also really need one of those. So far, this display has been very kind to me. The other one hasn't been, at least for the inner deck. This one is very kind compared to the other one. Okay, please don't be Don Creek. Please don't be Don Creek. Please Luffy or Enel, please. You got the Mihawk. You got the Pincers. You got Purin. You got Ginny. The Dressrosa Kingdom stage. We got Bartholomew Kuma. We We got Braham. At the Robin event. We got Nola. We got Leo. We got Bartolomeo. And we got the Don Creek. Damn. My luck is either the best or the worst, because that's, yeah. That's the one leader I really don't like from this one. I mean, not play-wise. Play-wise, it looks very interesting or fun. But, yeah. I don't really like Don Creek. Oh, man. That's crazy. To get an English and a Japanese one. That's just insane. Someone has to be trolling me. Like, there's no other way around it. We got a Kuma. We got Moda. We got Kotori. The Mont Blanc Nolan. We got Carbaji. We got the Amazon. We got the Finger Pistol Yellow Lotus event. The Barrier Bulls event. We got another Luffy. Let's go. That's great. We got the Roronoa Zoro. We got Smoke and Tashigi. That's a good one. And we got another EB04 Sanji. I'm saying another. It's the first on this, but the other display already pulled one. Damn, Don Creek, man. That's insane. That's literally insane. I have like my top 2 favorite characters are in this set with the leader card. And in the Japanese and the English one, I'm pulling Don Creek. That's insane. We got Doll. We got a Fusa. We got a Moji. We got Alpha. We got a Holly. Let's go. We got a Bobby Funk. We got the Gum Gum Hawk Gatling. We got a Barrier Bulls event. We got the Jewelry Bonnie. We got a Kobe. We got Kairos. And we got a Zavo SR. Let's go. The first SR. The first great hit I'm happy about. It looks amazing, but, well, let's see. Let's just hope. I'm not even sure how the hits are structured if you get a leader alt art. I'm not sure what else is in here then. So let's just hope we will get some greatness. We got Absalom. We got Konis. We got Sentomaru. We got Margarita. We got a Vegapunk. We got Yama. We got the Lucy event. We got Hyozu. We got Leo. We got Tony Chopper. We got the Black Robe Dragon Twister Zoro event. And we got a Brook SR. I'm hoping for at least Borsalino or some Enel SRs, please. I just need the Enel SRs, like, more than anything. I mean, the Borsalino probably will be paying for the Enel SRs, but still, I do need some good Enel SRs, please. We got Sentomaru, Buggy, we got a Kotori, we got a Raki, we got the Leloucha Kingdom stage, another Lucy event, we got Nolan, we got the Luffy, the Meowband brothers. Okay, we got the Luffy leader pack, we got Genfall, and we got the Luffy rare. Okay, that's a great pack. That's the triple Luffy pack. I think, except for the SEC, nearly every Lucy in this set. That's a great pack. Luffy in this set. That's a great pack. I'm not complaining about that at all. That's very great for my Luffy's for my Luffy collection. So I ain't complaining about that one. Okay, let's see. We got Moji, the Heavenly Warrior. We got Buggy. We got the Rayleigh event. We got the Ryuma. We got a Pacifista. We got Holy Jones. We got a Full Body. We got an El Thor. We got Hyrule. We got I'll Whip You into Shape event. And we got the Alvida Rare. That's alright. As long as I don't get another Don Creek. Don Creek is like, I think I have PTSD of Don Creek now. That's like impossible. We got Kuma, we got Higuma, we got Chinjao, we got Genie, we got a Pacifista, we got another Holly, let's go. We got the Lucy event again. We got a Sai. We got another Lucy event just to watch me ace. We got an inner leader pack. We got Pearl. And we got a Kobe SR, which I already also got in the other display, which could have been an Enel SR. But we still have over half the packs left, so no worries. And we also got the double pack, so at least in the double pack, I'm surely gonna pull in special rare or something. So let's just continue and trust in the odds. We got October Balloon. We got a Spoil. We got Purin. We got the Sea Cat. We got a Hotori. We got the Risky Brothers. We got the Impact Dial. We got the Jewelry Bonnie Leader. We got the Heso event. The Cavendish. We got a Don Creek event. And we got the Viper SR. That's a new one at least. And it's looking great. This Viper is insanely OP to a lot of Swarm decks and a lot of other stuff. I think this one is very, very strong, the Viper. Also against Enel, kind of. If you play one or more of the small cost characters earlier on. Okay, we got a Dawn pack. The first Dawn pack this display. We got Kamakiri, we got Heavenly Warrior, we got Moda, we got in combination the Lelucia Kingdom stage, we got Amazon, we got Vegapunk, we got another Rayleigh event, we got a Perona, we got the Vari event. That's amazing because I really need that one. We got Arlong, we got the Sanji, and we got a Silver Dawn. Let's go. That is a well appreciated Dawn. Okay. So I think we are more than halfway through. And we still have at least one hit, I think. Maybe even 2 hits left. So let's see what the next pack has for us. We got Absalom. We got the Law. We got the Nico Robin. We got a Genbo. We got Margarita. We got another Zev. Let's go. That's a big one. We got the Gatling. Gum Gum Hawk Gatling. We got a Tony Chopper. We got the Gum Gum Storm event. We got a Sanji. We got a Kuro. And we got the Brook event. This one was a lot of Straw Hats and Straw Hat events, which is a very cool theme for a pack. Let's see what the next one has for us. It got Emmet. It got a Koala. We got a Dr. Hawkback. We got a Morgan. We got the Ryuma. We got the Sea Cat. We got Braham. We got a Kabaji. We got Hyozu. We got a Frankie. We got an Oars. And we got our Ohm Alt Art. This is a great one. It's not Enel or anything, but it is an Enel character. and it looks very nice. I gotta say, these stripes over here from the sword look amazing. I mean, could you call it a sword? I'm not sure about that. I'm not that into the technicalities of swords and everything, so yeah. I can only tell you it looks very great in person. Okay, this one again didn't want to open. This one opened insanely bad. Let's see what was stuck in there. We got the Mihawk, we got Konus, we got a Goro, we got the Impact Dial event, we got Yama, we got the Bartholomew Kuma, we got, I know it's Bartholomew, but we got Bobby Funk, we got the Captain Seamers, the Moon Space Rabbit, we got the Kalgara, we got Django, we got a Shura. That's amazing. I really need this one for my deck. And we got a Jin SR. I can really be playing Don Creek after all of the things I pulled. That's insane. Like, what? All the Don Creek stuff, man. Out of all the decks, I mean, it is a aggro deck. It is an aggro deck, which I'm normally playing, but it's still ass because the character is ass. Don Creek is ass. We got Sentomaru, we got Robin, we got Genie, we got Koala, we got the Yorkie, we got the Finger Pistol Yellow Lotus event, we got Alpha, we got the Don Creek leader together with his counterpart, the Aldart. We got the Don Creek event, we got an Olympus, we got the Nico Robin, let's go. And we got a Sanji, blocker and unblockable, and 1k. This Sanji is just way too broken. Because the unblockable isn't even locked to specific characters or anything. Just one character unblockable. Okay. Why, bro? Why did blue need unblockable? That's like, I did not understand this Sanji. Okay, the next pack has a Kitty Funk. You got the Charlotte Lola. You got the Pincers. You got a Fusa. We got another Lucy event. You got the Dressrosa Kingdom stage. You got a Hotori. We got Urush. You got the Lightning Beast Kiten. English, please, brain. You got the Roronoa Zoro. You got another Lucy event, and we got a Kaku. We still have six, seven packs to open. And I'm still hoping, okay, we got the second Dawn pack. I'm still hoping for some vengeance with an SRino or a Borsalino, please. We got a Higuma. We got a Kellyfunk. We got a Buggy. We got a Raki. We got a Hody Jones. We got the Dressrosa Kingdom stage. We got the Mont Blanc Nolan. We got Urush. We got the Roronoa Zoro. We got the Helmeppo. And we got the Nami. I forgot it's a Dawn pack. And another Silver Dawn. Okay. Let's just put that over there. And at least we got a Nami. That's the first. And I think, and Helmeppo maybe even is the first as well. But I don't think I even put a Nami on the first display, right? These hit chances are cooked, I'm telling you. It's crazy. Okay, we got a Goro, we got Emoji, we got Kotori, we got Emmet, we got the Risky Brothers, We got Nezumi. We got the Nico Robin, I find it embarrassing as a human being event. We got Calgara. We got Leo. We got the Heso event. The Black Rogue Dragon Twister. And we got another Alvida. I'm telling you, the Dawn Creek deck is building itself right before our eyes. I don't even need to buy anything else. I even pulled a Dawn Creek SR on the pre-release, so I have more Dawn Creek SRs than the Enel SR. That's amazing. Okay, let's go. 5 packs left. We get a Borsalino, and it's all worth it. We got a Genbo. We got the Heavenly Warriors. We got the Konis. We got Purin. We got Ryuma. We got Hotori. We got the Lucy event. We got a Dawn Creek event. We got a Tony Chopper. We got the Meow Band Brothers. We got an Ohm. Let's go. Very important. Very, very important. And we got another Julie Ronnie. Okay, that's a great pack. We got 2 of the cards we need to play. That's just perfect. That's very great. I'm happy about that pack. Let's see what the last 4 have in store for us. I think we still do have 1 hit left, right? I think with the leader packs, with the leader alt art, we still have 1 alt art or SSC, right? I'm sure hoping, I mean, I do hope for a very great card, but I'm not that sure about it. We got a Chinjao, we got the Mihawk, we got Spoil, we got a Kabaji, the Risky Brothers, a Pacifista, the Nico Robin event, we got the Rebecca Leader, we got a Frankie, we got an El Thor, we got the Gum Gum Golden Rifle, and we got an Enel SR. Yes! Yes! The first one, let's go! Oh, I'm happy. I finally got at least 1. That's a big win. That's a big win. We have 3 packs left. Let's see if we can get another. I think we still have some more SRs left, so hopefully we get another Enel or Borsalino. We got Moda, we got Doll, we got Bartholomew Kuma, we got Dr. Hockback, we got Amazon, we got another Zeph, let's go, we got another Kuma, we got Laboon, we got Perona, we got Sai, we got a Tony Chopper, and we got the Borsalino SR. I've been telling you guys, I can feel it, and it worked. This one is going over here because I don't have much more space, because these 3 are all big hits for me, but this is a very big hit as well. So okay, 2 packs left and the double pack. We're gonna pull the manga out of the double pack, so no worries. Okay, let's see. Second last pack Magic with Pincers, Octoballoon, Absalom, Finger Pistol Yellow Lotus, Holly, the Leloucha Kingdom, got Yorkie, got the Brook Leader, we got Hyrudin, got Kobe, got Viola, that's the first this display I think, and we got the Fire Fist Lucy event. Okay. Second last pack Magic didn't work, but we still have 1 more pack. We still have 1 more pack. So let's see what this one has in store for us. Please be another big hit. You got Kamakiri, you got Morgan, you got the Lola, you got Trafalgar Law, you got Braham, We got another Lucy event. We got Margarita. Just Watch Me Ace. The Django, the Nola. Pirates Docking 6. And we got a Satori. At least a Satori. Not another big hit, but Satori is a great hit for me because I needed to play. And I'm gonna show you what I pulled on this display. As always, or not as always, last time we had a golden on, we have 2 normal dons. Then we have a Jin SR. We got the Kobe SR. We got the Brook SR. We got the Zabo SR. We got the Viper SR. We got the Enel SR. Let's go. And the most important SR, the Borsalino. Let's hope I can sell it or trade it for some more Enel SRs.
And just as I said, I traded it for an Enel SEC for the secret rare. Back when the Borsalino was at 20, the Enel is around at 30 or 28, let's say, and I traded the Borsalino plus €5 for an Enel. So big trade up for me because the Borsalino dropped, Enel didn't drop as much, so perfect trade.
We got the Ohm Alt Art, which looks very great, and we got the Dawn Creek Alt Art. And those are the hits from this display. I'm gonna just put those over there, because we still have the double pack left. I'm gonna open it just on the normal duct tape. Yes, all right. Let's go. Like this, we do not need to damage the package. Okay, we got the double pack. Which it looks like the biggest scam product ever. Like, for real. But we do have 2 packs and the special Dawn pack inside. Over here is a Kagara and Nolan. Okay, I think we're going to open 1 pack, then the Dawn pack, and after that the other pack. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we got a Dawn pack, which is not the manga I was looking for, but if it's a Golden Dawn, it's gonna not... it wouldn't be that bad. We got a Buggy, at Genbo, the Heavenly Warriors. We got the Lucy event, the Leloucha Kingdom. We got Amazon. We got the Vegapunk. We got Orlambus. We got Full Body. We got Kairos. The Dawn Creek event. And another normal Dawn. Okay. I'm nearly completing the full set here. So now we move on to the Dawn pack. I'm also hoping for the inner one. I think it's like the Mamaragan artwork, right? Or a Mamaragan on the artwork. And we get the other one, of course. It still looks amazing. But I really would have loved the inner one. So let's see if the last pack magic from the double pack is working for us. Please, anything, a Borsalino, anything. Just give me anything that's making this worth. We got a Conus. We got Purin. We got the Chinjao. And Mihawk. The Rayleigh event. Okay, I'm sorry for the camera loss. We got the Rayleigh event. We got Ryuma. We got the Sea Cat. We got Elthor, let's go. That's the sign. We got Hyrodin. We got Nola. We got Genfall. And we got a Monkey D. Luffy. Okay. The double pack, sadly, didn't hit anything at all. And we only got these two for notably hits. So with that, I am probably gonna order another display of OP15 online, even if it's gonna cost like 150 or 160 euros, because I don't know, I just want it. And maybe I'm gonna buy another double pack. Yes. With that, see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more OP15 openings, hopefully, and see you in the next one.